Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. In this video, I am came with this beautiful neck and sleeve design made with handmade ribbon lace. Let's have a look. Let's get started. Here I have taken 8 by 8 inches of canvas and marking 7 inch of neck depth and 3 inches of neck width. Make a box of it. Taking 1.5 inches of roundness, we will make a curve to give it a shape. On this curve, again mark 1 inch. Draw a curve shape and then cut it. And again from the inner side. This canvas has a glue on the other side. By ironing it, it can stick to the fabric. Take a piece of a fabric and place the neckline. Measure the distance between 2 points. It should be 6 inches, and then by pressing it with hot iron, stick it to the fabric. After attaching it to a fabric, we will cut the outer line of the neckline with 1/4 inch of distance, and now fold this from the outer side in a whole round shape. This way we have to stitch all around. Now place this neck on the front side of a kurti, joining the center slits. We have to make a stitch line just adjacent to the canvas paper, not on the canvas paper but just adjacent to the canvas paper. Make a stitch line all around the neckline. We have to place this on the right side of kurti, and afterwards we will turn this inside. You can also secure it with pins. Now we will cut the inner area and give some small slits, and then we will turn this. After turning, this will look like this. Give a top stitch all around, and above it we will attach the lace. Now showing you how to make this lace, I have taken 2 colors satin ribbons. Tie a knot, or you can do a hand stitch or use a stapler to attach them. Now see how to make this lace. Both front sides of the ribbon should be towards your side on the front side, or just fold it and move it in the loop with the different color ribbon. Now again turn this and insert it like this, and then stretch the orange color ribbon downwards to give it a proper shape. Now again turn this and insert it in the blue one. Just by doing this one by one, you will make this lace of the required length. It's a very simple and easy method. You can also make this lace with fabric strips, but here I am using ribbon. Just turn it and insert in the loop, and then stretch the blue color ribbon again. Insert the blue one and stretch the orange. Before stitching it to the fabric, we have to iron it properly so that the side edges are pressed, and it will be easy to stitch it on neckline or sleeves. Do not stretch too much. This is the back side. We have to press it here, and then before attaching it to a neckline, secure it with pins and take your time to adjust it on neckline properly. Now first we will attach it from the neckline area. Here I am using sky blue color thread, and we have to stitch in a zigzag manner. Needle should be pointed inside. Lift the pressure foot, and then by aligning the lace on fabric properly, while turning, needle should be inside the fabric. For this neckline and both sleeves, I required 4.5 meters of ribbon of each color. Total 9 meters have been consumed for the neckline and both sleeves. This way we have to stitch all around the neckline. Now showing you the sleeve part. From the top I have taken 8 inches of sleeves. Fabric was short, so I have attached 4 inches of a strip again to it, and then we will attach the lace, and finally 1.5 inch of frill has to be added, and we'll cover this with ribbon. As I have made the sleeves and a draft has to be made, below it I will attach 4 inches of strip, a satin ribbon and a lace has to be attached here, and on the down side we will attach frill of 1.5 inches of length, so that the whole sleeve length should fall till the elbow. This way we have to design the sleeve. Here I am attaching frill to the sleeve. For making this, take a 2 inch of strip, fold it downwards and then attach on the lower side of sleeve by giving it pleats. This way both sleeves have to be prepared. The joint of fabric which we have given, we will cover it with plain lace. Now attaching the ribbon lace with the orange color thread as we have used in the outer side of neckline. Here again on this side orange color thread has to be used, so we have to change the thread color. In the same manner as we have made the neckline, we have to make this stitching on sleeves. Before attaching it, thoroughly iron it so that you can get proper finishing to the sleeves and neckline. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Please let me know via comment section whether this video is useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my video. It will help us to improve better. This way we have to complete both sleeves. After completing, the whole neckline and a sleeve will look like this. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.